Mini Automatic Teleservice Call takes responsibility for booking your Mini's servicing, freeing you up to focus on what really matters. When a service is due, CBS sensors in your Mini detect the necessary service requirements. The data is then collated and sent to your chosen Mini center. Once the data is analysed, you will be contacted to arrange an appointment. Your chosen Mini center knows exactly what's required for your booking and can arrange the necessary parts in preparation, helping you to avoid any unnecessary delays. Mini Automatic Teleservice Call means having to remember when your Mini is due a service is a thing of the past. We'll do the remembering for you.